Okay, then let's start. Today we are going to see the monitor. This monitor is nothing but one module. This module is used for the synchronization purpose. As we have seen, this semaphore, counting semaphores, Peterson's algorithms, hardware synchronizations techniques. So in that way, here there is one more practical implemented module, that is nothing but the monitor. This monitor is a module. So what is meant by module? Means what? In this particular module, let's say this is our one block. So in this block I'll have some resources. Fine. And I want to access these resources. So now basically what we are going to do, we are going to apply the semaphore and all on this resource, because this resource is belongs to the critical section, right? That single resource is going to be shared among the multiple processes. Fine. So now at that time what we need to do, we need to apply the logic of critical section, right, to perform the synchronization. So in the same way, here what we'll have one simple resource. Fine. So now there will be the two processes. Let's consider we'll have this one and this one are the two different processes. Fine. So now here what we need to do, these two processes wants to access this resource. Fine. So let's say this is our P1 and this is our P2, right? So the base logic is what? The base logic means we want to access this resource that is shared among these two processes. At that time what we are going to do, we are going to place this resource into the critical section, right? Fine. Critical sections पे हम उसको बिठाने वाले. So let's say now I want to perform this operation. Means what? Now here P1 wants to access this resource, and at the same time P2 also wants to access this resource. So what we are going to do? So that is not possible, right? Why? Because of the race condition. Fine. So that race condition जो हमने ऑलरेडी देखा होगा. Fine. So race condition. So to avoid the race condition, what we need to do? We need to perform the synchronization. So देखो यहाँ पे होता कैसे? So now in this monitor, the monitor will have the shared resources and procedures. Fine. Shared resources and procedures inside the monitor. Where? Inside the monitor. Monitor के अंदर रहने वाली वो चीज. ठीक है? Means how? So now there will be the one procedure here and there is one more procedure is here. Fine. So let's say we want to access this particular resource. Fine. So now to perform that operation, what we need to do? So now here it's a procedure 1 and procedure 2. Fine. These are the two different procedures or functions through which only we can access the resource. Means what? Whenever any process wants to access this resource, at that time first he need to call this function and then only he is able to receive this or access this resource. Fine. So this is the simple module. So what in this monitor will have the shared resources and the procedures, and with the help of these procedures only we can access those resources. Fine. Means what? In C++ we have seen one concept, right? Those concepts are nothing but the setter and getter, right, in C++. So what they'll do means what? In our class we'll have the private data members, right? And I want to access this private data members outside the class. So at that time what we are going to do? We are going to write the methods which are public, and through those functions only, methods, that is setter and getter, we are going to access that particular resource. So in that same way, that is nothing but the encapsulation, right? So in that same way, what we are going to do? We are going to access this resource. Now this resource is a private, right? So this is nothing but our private variable. So now I want to access this private. So at that time what I'll do, I'm going to write the two procedures, procedure 1 and procedure 2. Fine. So with the help of these two procedures I'm going to access this particular resource. So now if you'll see here, so this monitor is a simple one class, right? So this monitor is going to provide us this facility class to access these resources, right? So the next thing is what? Now how actually we are going to achieve this synchronization, we'll see that one. ठीक है. Now this is a simple monitor. यहाँ तक तो समझ में आ गया होगा कि मॉनिटर क्या होता है. मॉनिटर में एक मॉड्यूल है. So in that particular module will have some shared resources and some procedures, and with the help of those procedures only we can access the resources. Fine. So now let's say we want to perform the producer and consumer problem. Fine. So at that time what we are going to do? So now obviously let's say here we'll have one monitor. So in this monitor I'll have one resource. Fine. So this resource is going to be shared by the producer and consumer. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो. So now हमने कैसे बताया? Inside this monitor we'll have some procedures, and with the help of those procedures only we can perform the operations, right? Fine. So let's say we have written two methods. एक है producer वाला and another one is a consumer वाला. Fine. So now let's say I'm going to discuss the problem actually. अभी problem क्या आता है देखो. So now see, now here there is the two process. Fine. So now here we'll have one P1 process and P2 process, right? These two wants to perform the operation. So let's say, ठीक है. So now this P1 is a producer and P2 is a consumer, right? So now P1 wants to perform the producer operations. It means he wants to produce something on this resource, right? ठीक है. And now consumer wants to perform the consume. He wants to simply read this one. ठीक है. So now problem क्या आ जाएगा अभी देखो. So now see here the thing is what if this particular buffer or any variable, whatever you can say, ठीक है. Now producer and consumer, let's say consumer is now inside the monitor. So now while entering into the monitor, what they are going to do, they are going to use the locks, right? Okay. So now here we'll have the lock, and here also we'll have the lock. Both the process are going to use the locks. So now while using these locks, they are going to access this monitor. Okay. Means what? देखो, now P2 wants to enter into the monitor, so he'll execute the lock. ठीक है. So lock जब वो execute करेगा, means what? Now he is able to, now he is free to enter into the monitor. उसने lock apply कर दिया, उसके पास चाबी है. ठीक है. Now he is entered into the monitor and now he wants to consume something. But now initially this variable is empty, right? ठीक है. He wants to consume something, right? अगर उसे को कुछ कंज्यूम करना है तो obviously that variable or buffer should be filled with something, right? कुछ तो वैल्यूज में उसमें फिल होना चाहिए. बट नाउ करंटली दैट वेरिएबल इज एम्प्टी. प्रोड्यूसर ने कुछ प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया, बट यहाँ पे कैसे हो गया, कंज्यूमर ने एंट्री मार ली मॉनिटर के अंदर एंड नाउ ही इज इनसाइड द मॉनिटर and he wants to consume something, but that particular resource or variable or buffer is empty. So now तब क्या करेगा that consumer? Now that consumer is waiting inside the monitor. Waiting inside monitor, राइट. अगर ये अंदर ही वेट करते बैठा कि प्रोड्यूसर आएगा एंड ही इज गोइंग टू राइट समथिंग, ही इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग एंड देन आई विल कंज्यूम, राइट. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे कैसे हो जाएगा? द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट? नाउ हियर दिस पर्टिकुलर कंज्यूमर इज इनसाइड द मॉनिटर एज इन एंड ही इज वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग, राइट. सो कंज्यूमर क्या करेगा? नाउ कंज्यूमर वांट्स टू एंटर इनटू द monitor, right? This is what our monitor, right? Okay. Fine. This is our monitor. So now at a time single process can enter into the monitor. How? By using this block. Means what? They are going to perform the mutual exclusion with the help of these monitors. Fine. वो सारी चीजें हमने ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है. सो नाउ हियर दिस P1 wants to enter, right? That is, he wants to produce something, but already there is a one process inside the monitor. तो इसको एक्सेस बैठेगा क्या, मिलेगा क्या? नो, इसको तो एक्सेस मिलने वाला नहीं है, राइट. तो ये क्या करेगा? ये तो चला गया वेटिंग में. मीन्स व्हाट? There is a one queue outside the monitor, right? There is a one queue. So now here P1 is in the waiting queue, right? This is our waiting queue. Fine. So ये चला गया waiting में. Let's say there is a one more process called it as a P3, right? Now that P3 wants to enter into the critical section and he wants to access this particular variable. Fine. So at that time क्या करेगा फिर? Again he is going to check, right? He wants to enter into the critical section. So वहाँ पे क्या चेक करेगा कि लॉक अवेलेबल है क्या, right? लॉक की वैल्यू क्या है? तो लॉक की वैल्यू तो चेंज हो चुकी है. That lock is not available, right? That lock is already consumed by someone, acquired by someone. That is nothing but the P2 process. And P2 process is inside the monitor and is waiting for the someone to produce something, right? तो P2 जब P3 जब एंटर करना चाहता है, so again that is not possible for the P3 wants to enter into the monitor and that is not possible for the P3. Then again that P3 is going to be into the waiting queue, right? तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम आते रहेंगे. So how to resolve this problem then? So to solve this problem, monitor has given one condition variable. फाइन, क्या उसके पास एक कंडीशन वेरिएबल. सो नाउ ये कंडीशन वेरिएबल कहां पे रहने वाला है? दैट कंडीशन वेरिएबल इज इनसाइड द मॉनिटर. ठीक है. सो नाउ यहां पे क्या रहेगा? एक कंडीशन वेरिएबल. फाइन. Here we'll have one condition variable. So now with the help of this condition variable, we are going to perform the operation. Means what? So ये condition variable क्या करने वाला है? Again, that condition variable is associated with one queue, right? तो inside this monitor again will have one queue. ठीक है. इसके अंदर क्या रहने वाला है? एक क्यू रहेगा और एक. ठीक है. और ये क्यू किसका है? कंडीशन वेरिएबल का है. फाइन. सो दैट इज कंडीशन वेरिएबल का क्यू रहेगा. सो यहां पे क्या चेक करना है कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू चेक. नाउ लेट्स से विल हैव वन वेरिएबल कॉल्ड द अवेलेबल. दैट इज अ बुलियन वेरिएबल. ठीक है. अदरवाइज वी कैन से इट इज अ बिजी. ठीक है. इस वेरिएबल को हम क्या नाम देंगे? कंडीशन वेरिएबल को पीजी. ठीक है. और ये बीजी क्या चेक करने वाला है? वेदर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस विच इज इनसाइड द मॉनिटर इज बिजी और फ्री. वो इतना चेक करना चाहता है. ठीक है. सो एट दैट टाइम क्या होगा? सो नाउ हियर दिस पर्टिकुलर कंज्यूमर इज इनसाइड द मॉनिटर एंड नाउ ही इज इन द वेटिंग स्टेट. व्हाई? Right? Because he is waiting for the producer to perform some action, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Now here this P2 is in the waiting state inside the monitor. So what he'll do? So simply put this process P2 inside this condition, inside this condition variables queue, right? And then he'll get notified. अब अलाउ करो दूसरे प्रोसेस को. राइट. अभी क्या करेगा? दूसरा प्रोसेस चेक करेगा. नाउ P1 आ जाएगा इनसाइड दिस मॉनिटर. नाउ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंडीशन वेरिएबल्स क्यू एनी प्रोसेस कैन एंटर इनटू द मॉनिटर. ठीक है. एट एनी टाइम. उसने क्या किया? अभी वो प्रोसेस अंदर आ गया. लेट्स से दिस P1 wants to execute this code. और ये कोड एग्जीक्यूट करेगा तब क्या होने वाला है? he is going to perform the write operation or he is going to perform some produce operations on this variable, right? So now अभी ये busy है क्या? This is available, right? ठीक है. So now simply what he is going to do then? He is going to write something or he is going to produce something, right? He is going to produce something. और ये जब इसका प्रोड्यूस करके काम हो जाएगा, ठीक है, तब वो बाहर आ जाएगा. एंड देन, ठीक है, बाहर आने के बाद नाउ दैट P2 दैट इज अ कंज्यूमर एंड दैट इज स्टिल इनसाइड द मॉनिटर, ही विल गेट द एक्सेस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल. नाउ उसको यहाँ पे ये चीज मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. गेटिंग द पॉइंट. सो नाउ ये हो गया with respect to the consumer. Fine. So let's say the same thing will have. Means what? We'll have monitor and we'll have one variable. ठीक है. And we'll have this producer and consumer. ठीक है. Now we are talking about the another case. ठीक है. So now we'll call it as a resource और वेरिएबल. ठीक है. आपको जो बोलना बोलो. सो नाउ हियर विल हैव द प्रोड्यूसर एंड हियर विल हैव द कंज्यूमर. फाइन. एंड नाउ outside this monitor will have the P1, P2 and P3. Fine. So let's say अभी हमने कौन सा कंडीशन देखा था कि दिस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल और रिसोर्स और बफर इज एम्प्टी. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इफ दिस इज फुल? अगर ये फुल रहा तब क्या होगा भाई? नाउ इफ दिस इज फुल और ओवरफ्लो, यू कैन कॉल इट एज एनीथिंग. ठीक है, और ओवरफ्लो. Fine. And now here producer entered into the monitor. ठीक है, and he wants to perform this operation. Right? Producer produce कब करेगा? जब आपका रिसोर्स और बफर एम्प्टी रहेगा. राइट. बट यहां पे क्या हो रहा है? Here producer has entered into the monitor and he wants to produce something, right? And while producing something, he got the status of that resource or buffer or variable is it's a full. It means already there is something data inside that particular buffer, right? So at that time ये क्या करेगा then? This producer is waiting inside this monitor again. Fine. Waiting inside the monitor. कौन वेट कर रहा है अभी? Here producer is waiting inside the monitor. Why? Because that particular resource is full. Right? तो उसको क्या लग रहा है? अरे ये तो ऑलरेडी फुल है. Right? So I am not going to write something. Why? Because data loss हो जाएगा वहाँ. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इट विल डू? ओके, आई विल वेट इनसाइड द मॉनिटर एंड आई विल चेक कि कोई तो आएगा एंड ही इज गोइंग टू कंज्यूम समथिंग. राइट. तो कंज्यूमर जब आएगा, कंज्यूम करेगा, उसका स्टेटस चेंज करके निकल जाएगा. राइट. सो एट दैट टाइम ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग. बट द थिंग इज व्हाट, जो हमने अभी देखा था, द सेम थिंग यहाँ पे होगा. क्या? कि कंज्यूमर अंदर एंटर नहीं कर पाएगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज लॉक का स्टेटस P1 ने चेंज कर दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. तो इसी हिसाब से अगेन वी नीड टू परफॉर्म द सेम ऑपरेशन, दिस वन. राइट. सो इनसाइड दिस मॉनिटर व्हाट वी नीड टू यूज? वी नीड टू यूज द कंडीशन वेरिएबल. फाइन. तो ये कंडीशन वेरिएबल यूज करना पड़ेगा. व्हाई? टू परफॉर्म द सिंक्रोनाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोसेस इनसाइड द मॉनिटर. राइट. इनसाइड द मॉनिटर हमको करना है, इसलिए. ठीक है. सो नाउ, सो इज देयर एनी फंक्शंस दोज आर गोइंग टू बी परफॉर्म ऑन द कंडीशन वेरिएबल्स? यस, ऑब्वियसली विल हैव सम फंक्शंस ऑन functions for the condition variables, and those are nothing but the wait, signal and broadcast. Fine. There are the three functions. ये तीन चीजें हैं. एक इस पे वर्क होने वाले, these are going to work apply on the conditions variables. Apply on condition variable. ठीक है. फाइन. समझ में आ रहा है? So now then how to apply these condition variables? That's the question, right? So now the thing is what, when let's say here we'll have that condition variable is busy, right? Condition variables को हमने नाम दिया था busy. So now how it is going to work? Busy dot wait, right? So busy dot wait means what? ये क्या करेगा? Suspend the execution and add into queue. फाइन. सो busy dot get ऐसे काम करेगा. So now after that busy dot signal, how it is going to wait? So simply here, when we are going to perform the busy dot signal, at that time waiting process will get chance to access resource. Fine. So now last one is what? Busy dot signal. So now busy dot signal क्या करेगा? This is going to notify all waiting process. Otherwise, it will notify. Other what we can say, send signal to all waiting process. Fine. So now these three operations are going to be performed on the condition variables. ठीक है. So now condition variable कहाँ पे होता है? Inside the monitor. Fine. So now we have seen this much of things. The remaining thing, it means we'll take one example and we'll try to execute it. We'll try to apply this. That will be seen in the next lecture. Fine.